download and install TreasureWorld. First, you'll start by clicking Download in the top right corner. The download will then appear in the bottom left corner. Click on the download. The installer window will open. Follow the steps until you can finish. Once the wizard has completed, the installer will appear. TreasureWorld will now begin to download. It should approximately take between 10 and 15 minutes. Once completed, hit play. This will prompt you to sign in to your Treasured account. Once you sign in, by entering your username and password, you'll be brought directly back to TreasureWorld. TreasureWorld will load in, and boom, here you are, ready to explore and curate your TreasureWorld. To learn more, visit treasure.ca.